Let's convert 9 ounces to grams. So here's how you do it. 1 ounce, that's equal to 28.35 grams. That's a conversion factor. And you need to know that in order to convert from ounces to grams. So we're going 9 ounces to grams, ounces to grams. We multiply by that 28.35 number, like this here. And note that it's 28.35 grams per ounce. That's because 1 ounce is equal to 28.35 grams. So that's our conversion factor. This way, when we multiply ounces on the top and the bottom, when they cancel out, we're left with grams. That's what we're looking for. So we know we did it right. So 9 times 28.35 grams, that equals 255.15. I'm going to call it 255.2. The units right here, those grams. So that's how you convert from 9 ounces to grams. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.